हर स्टूडेंट का सपना होता है एक अच्छी जॉब, एक स्ट्रॉन्ग पोर्टफोलियो और एक कॉन्फिडेंट फ्यूचर। लेकिन प्रॉब्लम क्या होती है? कंफ्यूजन, लैक ऑफ गाइडेंस और जीरो प्रैक्टिकल नॉलेज। इन इंटर्न डिज़ायर वी अंडरस्टैंड दिस। इंटर्न डिज़ायर समझता है आपकी जर्नी और इसीलिए हम लेकर आए हैं एक ऐसा इंटर्नशिप प्रोग्राम जो सिर्फ सिखाता नहीं, बनाता है आपको रियल वर्ल्ड इंडस्ट्री रेडी। Yes, this 45 days Web Development Internship Program is specially designed for beginners, college aspirants, and freshers. We are providing live classes, real projects, and hands-on support. So, let's begin your tech career journey with InternDesire and learn about our program and what. So, we are discussing about 45 days internship program that is basically belongs with the field of web development. This is not just a program, but it fast track your tech career with live mentorship, hands-on project experience, doubt clearing sessions, and certification. If we talk about InternDesire, so InternDesire empowers thousands of learners across India with different internship programs. We focus on practical skills and real-world application, ensuring our students job ready. Our new 45-day web development program is designed to accelerate your journey into the tech industry. So unlock your potential, join the program. InternDesire provides interactive learning, live and recorded sessions with weekly doubt clearing sessions. Build your portfolio, develop real-world projects, and shows how creative you are. You will get an internship certificate and a letter of recommendation, depends on the performance. So currently we are giving discount in the program and the current price is $259, that is a limited offer. Actual price of this program is $518 per candidate, so I request to register as soon as possible. We are having comprehensive curriculum for whole web development program. First is HTML5 and CSS3. We will discuss about JavaScript and DOM. We will also discuss about advanced frameworks like Bootstrap and basic React, and then in the last 15 days we will be working on a live project with hosting. This is a 45 days roadmap, that is weekly learning plan, where in week 1 we will discuss HTML5, CSS basics, web page structuring, and in next week we will be discussing about advanced CSS, Flexbox, grid, responsive design, and in third week we will discuss about what is JavaScript, what are JavaScript essentials, what is DOM manipulation, and what are the events in JavaScript. We will be discussing about jQuery as well. In week 4, Bootstrap 5, web animations, React, and how React is important, and we will discuss about its installation. And in last 2 weeks, week 5 and week 6, we will be discussing about advanced React and final project planning with its hosting, and we will be taking a final assessment in the end of this program. So keep learning, keep updates, and register as soon as possible. Thank you.